Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making a press-on nail set for a client of mine. She wanted me to do a little freestyle and she sent me a few different pictures. So I decided to give her a few flames and a few crystals on this set. Something simple but popping at the same time. Now, if you want to learn how to prep your artificial nails, your press-on nails, then go ahead and look at my previous video where I show you exactly how to do that. But the first thing I'm doing today on this video is adding my base gel. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the base gel on all of my nails and then I'm going to cure it for about 1 minute. Now this time depends on what type of UV/LED lamp that you have. For some of them they say a minute, for some 2 minutes, for some 30 seconds. So you just have to go by the instructions that are listed on your lamp. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put these on in the lamp and I'll come right back. Alright guys, now that we've cured the first layer of the base gel, I'm going to go ahead and add my first layer of my color gel polish. Now we're going to go ahead and cure these for another minute. Again, don't mind my thumb because I still need to take my nails off. I just have been so busy. I haven't had a lot of time to be able to do it. But I am going to do it. And I guess I'll probably make a video on, removing artificial nails as well. Just in case some of you guys want to learn how to do that the proper way. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add a second layer of my polish on here. Don't mind me adding my third layer because some people, they like to do 2, some do 3, but for me I just do enough layers until I get the exact shade that I want. Now when you're working with real acrylics and the natural nail, the rules may apply a little bit differently, but since we're working on press-ons, you can pretty much do a lot of layers, but you don't want to do too many. Now I'm going to cure this in the LED lamp again. I'm adding my top coat now. One thing that I learned, when you try to add your crystals on your press-on nails or even on acrylic nails or your natural nails, you want to go ahead and add the top coat first, because I used to try to do it before putting the top coat on there and my crystals would never last long. But now I know you add the top coat, then you add your crystals, and your crystals will pretty much last forever, you guys. I'm not even playing. Like every time I do someone's nails, when they come back for a feel, all of their diamonds are still intact. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish putting the top coat on, and then we'll go ahead and add the decals and the crystals. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my decals. I'm so excited because I really love these and I haven't used them for a long time, so I couldn't wait to put them on these nails. Now the trick I learned with press-ons, you want to cure the top coat first like I said before, and then you're gonna stick the decals on there. Once you do this, we're gonna add another layer of top gel. This is basically like doing an encapsulation, but instead of doing acrylic, we're doing it with gel. It's so great, oh my god. And the best part about it, when you put that top coat of gel on there, it makes it nice and smooth. Like you can't even feel that, you know, it's a sticker or a decal or whatever you want to call it. The nail literally feels nice and smooth once you put it on there. So it's super perfect and it's going to come out so nice. Let's just finish watching. Alright guys, now I put my crystals on, I put my decal on, I use Zulay Bling adhesive to add my crystals, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the Mia Secret. I'm going to spray it on the nail so that way the crystals can be intact for a super long time. Now, when you get ready to package your nails to sell to a client, especially with this pandemic and everything that's going on, you want to make sure that you always sanitize them. And this is the finishing look of my nails. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe now. Thanks again.